Welcome back, beautiful soul. Today, I'll show you how I reflect, journal, and close a moon tarot reading so the guidance fully integrates. Now that you've drawn your 4 cards representing the new, waxing, full, and waning moon, it's time to bring them together into a complete reading. Reflection is where the magic really happens because it helps you understand the story the moon and your tarot deck are telling you. Look at all 4 cards together. Ask yourself, how do the messages connect? What story is emerging? Do I see a theme across beginnings, actions, clarity, and release? Notice patterns, repeated symbols, or feelings that stand out. This is your intuitive guidance speaking through the moon's energy. Grab a notebook or journal. Write down 1. New moon card. What intention or new beginning is calling to me? 2. Waxing moon card. What action can I take to nurture growth? 3. Full moon card. What truth or clarity is emerging in my life? 4. Waning moon card. What do I need to release or heal? After writing, look for connections, insights, or emotions. Don't overthink it. Just let your intuition guide the words onto the page. To close your reading and ground the energy, take a deep breath and thank your deck and the moon for guidance. Optional, place your cards somewhere sacred or safe until your next reading. You can also light a candle, drink water, or stretch to physically release and ground the energy. These small rituals help you integrate the messages and keep your practice consistent. Moon Tarot is a journey. The more you reflect and journal, the clearer your intuition becomes. Even one card, one insight, or one sentence in your journal can create transformation. Build this as a weekly or daily practice aligned with the moon and watch your clarity and confidence grow. Thank you for taking this time to connect with your cards and the moon. Remember, reflection, journaling, and gratitude are the keys to fully integrating your readings. Enjoyed this message? Join our YouTube Omnistian family at The Omnistians by subscribing, and let's create a space filled with clarity, healing, and support together. Return next time. Your message will be waiting.